Here we have a strong acid, which we're going to represent in solution as H3O+, reacting with a strong base, which is best represented as hydroxide ion in solution. So the initial reaction is that we have H3O+ ion that's reacting with hydroxide ion to produce 2 molecules of water. We're told that we have 4 millimoles of the strong acid and 2 millimoles of the strong base. So the strong base is essentially the limiting reactant. So we're going to lose 2 moles of our strong acid and all of our strong base is completely consumed. We don't consider water because it's a pure liquid. We determine the concentration of the H3O+ ion that remains and can determine pH as the negative log of the hydronium ion concentration.